Hi, first graders. It's Miss Rayborn here. For the last several weeks, we have been talking and learning about symmetry. So let's look at another example. This house, for example, here. If we look at the line of symmetry, which is the line that goes right down the center here. So sorry, I touched it. Then what we see is we have half of a triangle roof on each side. We have one rectangle box window on each side. What about the door? Is there a door on each side? No, because the door is cut in half. Half of the door is on each side, okay? Now, when we look at our face, it is similar to that, okay? We don't have two noses. We have, if we draw the line of symmetry down the center of our face like this, we have half of a nose on each side, half of a mouth on each side. Now, there are things that we have two of. For example, we have two ears, one on each side. We have two eyebrows. We have two eyes, right? So some things we do have two of. Others are divided in half, and we do our best to make them symmetrical. Now, this shares with us that no one's face is exactly symmetrical, which is correct. However, we do our best when we're drawing to make our features symmetrical. So in this drawing, for example, you can see there's an eyebrow on each side, an eye on each side. Here's half of the nose on each side, half of a mouth on each side. However, we have an ear on each side because we have two ears, right? Our bodies are also symmetrical, right? We have an arm on each side, a leg on each side, a foot on each side, 5 fingers on each side, right? So we can create symmetries with our bodies as well, which I think is great. The book that we talked about today and we read has examples of portraits in it, lots of examples of portraits. A portrait is a drawing, a painting, a sculpture, a picture of a person. In our case today with Miss Deb, you're going to draw a self-portrait. A self-portrait is a drawing of who? You, right? Of the artist. So you can only make a self-portrait of yourself, okay? So you're going to go over to the next slide and do some drawing with Miss Deb. I can't wait to see. You're going to turn in this week in Seesaw. Miss Deb and I are really enjoying seeing what you're up to. So head over to the next slide where you can gather your supplies and then your drawing lesson with Miss Deb. I hope you have a great week, and I can't wait to see your self-portrait drawings in Seesaw. Bye for now.